Okay students, now we see the problems on Fourier series. The first one, find the Fourier sine series for the function f of x is equal to e power ax in 0 to pi. Okay, first we see the problems in the intervals 0 to pi and minus pi. So okay, in the first problem is in the interval 0 to pi. So the Fourier series is this one, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma a n cos n x plus b n sin n x in 0 to pi, where a naught is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, a n is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos n x dx, and b n is 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin n x dx. So we have given in the problem 0 to pi interval. First we see the problems in 0 to pi and minus pi. Okay, in interval 0 to pi we have these a naught, a n, b n formulae. By using these formulae, first find out a naught, a n, b n and substitute in this series a naught, a n, b n. This is the series in 0 to pi. So first you write the formulae. In this interval, the series Fourier series is this one. Here a naught is, by using this integral, find out the value and substitute here. Then a n formula is this, and here this is the formula, and find out the a n value here. Then by this b n, by using this formula and substitute all this in this one. Okay, now find the Fourier series for this function f of x is equal to e power x in 0 to pi. So what is the given function? F of x is equal to e power ax in the interval 0 to pi. First, what is our aim? To find a naught, a n, b n. Okay, a naught is equal to formula 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. Substitute what is f of x. Now 1 by pi constant as it is. Integral e power ax dx is e power ax by a. After integration, apply the limits 0 to pi. What is upper limit? 2 pi. First substitute in place of x 2 pi. Then minus తీసుకొని in place of x 0 substitution. Now it can be written as 1 by a into pi, constant పక్కన పెట్టేయండి. e power ax, apply the limits. First limit 2 pi. So e power a into 2 pi, e power 2 pi a minus e power a into 0, అంటే e power 0 is 1. Lower limit కి మైనస్ ఉంటుంది ముందు. Now we have a naught is equal to 1 by a pi e power 2 pi a minus 1. Next an. an is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos n x. You observe my a naught అయితే ఓన్లీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో f of x dx ఉంటుంది. an అయితే f of x తర్వాత cos n x ఉండాలి. అదే bn అయితే fx తర్వాత sin n x ఉంటుంది. Now an formula is this in interval 0 to pi. Now it is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi in place of fx you put e power ax cos n x dx. Already you know the formula e power ax cos bx అని చెప్తున్నానమ్మా. e power ax cos bx dx నోట్ చేసుకోండి ఆ ఫార్ములా లిస్ట్లో నుంచి. b ప్లేస్లో n ఉంది. నౌ ఇట్స్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈస్ e power ax by a square plus n square into a cos nx plus b sin nx. Use the formula integral e power ax cos bx dx. Now this is after integration we get these terms. Apply limits 0 to 2 pi. That means in place of x first put 2 pi then 0. Now the constant same 1 by pi. Here it is x కాబట్టి ఈ టర్మ్ తో సహా తీసుకోవాలమ్మా. Now e power ax in place of x we put 2 pi ma. Apply limits. In place of x first you put 2 pi e power 2a pi by a square plus n square a cos n into 2 pi 2n pi plus b sin n into 2 pi 2 pi n. నేను చెప్పాను పై n వస్తే 0 వచ్చేస్తుందని. sin n పై వచ్చి 0, sin 2 pi n, sin 2n పై కూడా 0నే. n పై వస్తే చాలు, sin తర్వాత 0 మైనస్ నెక్స్ట్ 0 లిమిట్, లోయర్ లిమిట్ e power 0x means e power 0 by a square plus n square into a into cos 0 1 అంటే a into 1 a plus b into sin 0 means 0 b into 0. సో మీకు సైన్ టర్మ్ వస్తే అది 0 అయినా పై అయినా 2 పై అయినా కళ్ళు మూసుకొని మీరు 0 పెట్టేసేయచ్చు. ఓకే, నౌ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్. sin cos 2n pi is equal to plus 1 కాబట్టి హియర్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ 1 by pi 1 by a square plus n square. రెండిట్లో a square plus n square కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉందమ్మా. బయట తీసేసాను. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, ఈ పవర్ 2πa ఇంటూ a ఇంటూ 1 అంటే a మైనస్ ఆల్రెడీ డినామినేటర్ తీసేసాము a పవర్ 0 1 ఇంటూ a హియర్. రెండిట్లో a కామన్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ a బయట తీసేసాను న్యూమరేటర్లో. పై ఇంటూ a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ n స్క్వేర్ డినామినేటర్ e పవర్ 2πa మైనస్ 1. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? an. ఓకే, an is this. So now we find a naught and an. Now we are going to find bn. The next one is bn. See the bn integral formula in 0 to pi is bn is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Here also you use the formula. In place of f of x put e power ax and use the formula integral e power ax sin nx dx might is. Okay, now bn is 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Substitute f of x in place of e power x in place of f of x. You get 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi e power ax sin nx. Again you use integral e power ax sin bx dx. B place lo x undi ikkada. This integral value is e power ax by a square plus n square a sin nx minus sin function kabatti minus n into cos nx. Apply limits 0 to 2 pi. First apply 2 pi. 1 by pi constant e power a into 2 pi e power 2a pi by a square plus n square a into sin 2n pi 0 minus n into cos 2n pi. Okay, minus now e power 0 in place of x put 0 e power 0 by a square plus n square. Again sin 0 is 0 minus n into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 kabatti n into 1. So 0 minus n into 1 means n. Now you let 1 by pi in this term, this is single term minus single term, a square plus n square bring outside, then you have e power this is e power 2a pi into 2n pi is 1 ma, 2n pi is 1, 1 into n means minus n into e power 2a pi minus n into 2a pi. And here e power 0 is 1, 1 into minus n అంటే ప్లస్ 1n అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ n ఉంది, ఇక్కడ n ఉంది, రెండిట్లో n బయట తీసేసాము. e పవర్ 2a పై ఇంటూ మైనస్ 1 అవుతుంది ఇది, కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రాశాను e పవర్ 2a పై మైనస్ n మీన్స్ n ముందు రాసేస్తే మైనస్ e పవర్ 2a పై, దిస్ వన్ n బయట తీసేస్తే దిస్ ఈస్ e పవర్ 0 1 minus 1 into minus n plus n బయట తీసేసాం, we get this one. It can be written as minus n by pi a square n square. See here. Now 1 by pi, here you observe a plus a square plus n square in denominator common, minus n అంటే 2a pi into minus n. Here also 1 by a square n square minus n common, kabatti 1 by pi in numerator minus n common by a square plus n square common. What about the remaining terms? n is common, 0 ledanukondi, 0 not valid, minus n బయట తీసాం, denominator తీసాం. What about this? 2 e power 2a pi into cos 2n pi. Cos 2n pi is 1, kabatti in this term e power 2a pi into 1, e power 2a pi minus n by a square plus n square already we bring outside. Now what is remaining? Minus e power 0. What is e power 0? Minus 1. It can be written as 1 into minus n means minus n by pi a square plus n square into e power 2 pi a minus 1. This is the bn value. Now what is the series? Fourier series in 0 to pi is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Now you substitute a naught by 2 value and an value and bn value here. This is an value, this is bn value. This is the required series. Okay, this is the required series.